Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another Convlog. Today, we're gonna be cooking a pizza. That's right. I'm moving into the cooking market, okay? So we got our tomato paste. Now I'm gonna give you some cinematic angles. Bam. So, boom. You wanna open this one up. Get yourself a spoon. Spread. That's what you do. You spread it. Spread the love. Okay, now that we have sauce, want to take the jar? Straight into the fridge, that's what I'm saying. We're sponsored by Primo and Tobu Chicken Kitchen, Convlog, a lot more knowledgeable. I did the research on Wikipedia. I'm now officially an expert on cooking. You got that down. Put that in the bin. These are being in the fridge for a little bit, but you know, life is perfect. Shout out to my subscribers that have been here since the very start. Convlog, you know, it evolved. We're now a cooking show. Alright. Got that. Give it a sprinkle. Sprinkle that shit. We have a nice chef topping. Next ingredient. Welcome back to Jamie's Kitchen, Convlog edition. We got a capsicum. I'm gonna say I don't want this full capsicum too much for the pizza, so we're just gonna boom, cut it in half, rip this shit out. Yeah, it's not. I got rid of some of these weird white bits, you know. Jamie tip 101. Cut. Bish bash bosh. What more do you need? Am I right, fellas? Classic Jamie line. Do it classic Jamie style. Put it on here. Don't forget the olive oil. My cheap but excellent Coles extra mild olive oil. Not Jamie. Jamie works for Woolworths, so you know Coles is much better. This is the official Jamie grater, okay? Oh, just go at it. Bish, bash, bosh. Get this week's anger out on to the grater. I tell you what, oh, that minger on the bus, oh, fuck him. These toast leeches, what are you gonna do with them? Honestly, they'll be there for the rest of your life. But they're part of you. Look at that. Cheese over it. Bish bash bosh. Save this bad boy for a bit later when you're doing some cooking later on at Jamie's Kitchen. Do a classic little Jamie meme with his hands. How to say that. Now that will last you about 4 or 6 months. We're gonna do a classic Jamie. Pull shit out of the bin. This motherfucker. Gonna do one of these, put it down here. One of these. You see this tray in here? We got the rack and then we got the tray. We're gonna put the pizza on the rack. It's gonna act like an oven. Just do it by hand. Boom, this is what the experts do. We'll be back once it's done. So, today we're gonna be interviewing Dimitri. How's it going, Dimitri? I haven't seen you in a hot minute.
It's been good. Been watching your pizza cook.
Yeah? I tell you what, Dimitri, special guest on the Jamie I Love Convlog show. Pizza in the oven, bish bash bosh.
What's your accent, by the way?
I tell you what, I don't know.
Is it American?
I don't know. I don't fucking know what it is. What do you think of trees talking to us? Pizza update.
Oh, I think it's nearly done.
It's getting there. It looks pretty melty. What do you have to say? Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's hot.
Oh, how's that?
That's hot.
That's that. Look
That's
at that.
hot.
We're gonna be using a bigger knife because that shit didn't work. Cutting the pizza. Oh, that half. Boom. Rotate. That's what's important. Rotate. Boom. Well, we got the pizza. Oh, but that can go boom in the bin. In the bin. Rotate. Rotate. Most important word from this episode, rotate. I tell you what. Boom. Don't get a plate to serve it on. Get yourself some extra virgin olive oil. Jamie's Kitchen Convlog Edition pizza. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, Patreon, Kickstarter. That's right, I'm starting Kickstarter for my channel. Gonna get to 20,000 million subs. Check it down in the description below.